My name is Shah Hamid, and I'm a Senior Deployment Specialist at Central Nervous Systems. In this video, I'll be discussing a new feature in Acumatica that synchronizes bank transactions called Bank Feed. I'm going to log into my demo company using Acumatica 2021R1. Under the banking workspace, I have bank feeds under the profiles, as well as a bank feed dashboard available to me. What are bank feeds? Bank feeds connect your financial institution accounts to Acumatica and automatically import transactions in real time, eliminating the need to manually download and import QBO, OFX, or CSV files. Bank feeds support secure connections and multi-factor authentication through Plaid, the industry-leading connection platform used by thousands of financial institutions and businesses globally. Bank feeds powered by Plaid allows you to easily and securely connect to over 14,000 financial institutions without programming or complex field mapping. For those of you viewing this video in Canada, bank feeds include Canadian banks. Let's look at the setup for bank feeds. So I've created a demo feed for illustration purposes, and I'm going to go into it. And I'm going to connect to the sandbox and link it to Plaid. I'm going to search for my bank, and for this demo, I'm going to look for a Canadian bank. And there is BMO Bank of Montreal. That's the one I want, so I'm going to click on to that. Because I'm in the sandbox, I'm just going to use a username and password. If this was production, you'd enter in a card number or a username and password as provided by your financial institution. So now I get to see the accounts that are linked to my BMO account, and I'm going to select my checking and my savings. So now you get to see that the savings and checking accounts are linked. If I go to my right, I also have cash accounts that are linked to each one. Once I have this set up ready, that's it. I'm ready to go. Now I can go in and process bank transactions. So I'm going to go back to my workspace. Normally, I'd have to go to import bank transactions and bring in the transactions. But now that I'm connected to Plaid, I can skip that step and go directly to process bank transactions. I'm going to go to my checking account. And now I get to see all the transactions that came through from Plaid. Now that the transactions are available, I can match and process and reconcile my bank account without having to do anything else. The key benefits of bank feeds, first is automated process. So I can schedule the bank feed imports to occur automatically based on a flexible user-defined schedules or import on demand. Just click on this download and it would go in and pull that information from Plaid. Smart matching powered by artificial intelligence with machine learning eliminates reconciliation for existing recognized transactions in Acumatica. Another benefit, easy setup. As we just saw, connect to over 14,000 financial institutions in minutes with your corporate or personal credentials, link the financial accounts to your cash accounts, and that's it. Another benefit is streamlining expenses. Used with Advanced Expense Management module, bank feeds can be used to automate expense receipts creation for corporate credit card accounts. This part is discussed in a different video on Advanced Expense Management. A link to the blog post and the video will be after this video. Is there an additional cost? Each Acumatica license allows you to connect to one bank account or credit card. Additional bank accounts or credit cards can be purchased separately. Bank feeds work with Acumatica versions 2019 R2 or newer. For our demonstration, we use 2020 R2. Should you need any further information or help with bank feeds, contact us at Central Nervous Systems. Thank you for joining me today and looking at bank feeds.